Hello friends, welcome back to famous YouTube channel. We are back with new creative videos. We have gone through many videos of machine learning. For example, extract text from image using TESSAR ACT tesseract. Then next video, Python remove unwanted object from image. Then Python convert text to audio. Then Python speech to text. And next video, Python face detection and recognition. The next, Python face recognition on image, and many more videos on machine learning. Today's video is really innovative. For that, let us go through the Python file first. First statement, import CV2 is a very popular image processing library. Second statement, from matplotlib import pyplot. This is used for data visualization and graphical plotting library. Third statement, import NumPy as NP. Bring NumPy library into current environment. Then image cv2.imread. It is used for reading the image self.jpg. The next statement, image is equal to cv2.cvt color. It is used for convert an image from one color space to another. The next statement, plt.figure. It is used for increase or decrease the plot size of in matplotlib. The next statement, plt.subplot, first row, second column and first plot. Then title is original image. Then I am show image bracket. It is used for create an image from two-dimensional NumPy. Then kernel underscore sharpening. It is used for sharpening the image. This code is used for. Then sharpen cv2.filtered two-dimensional array. Then same for sharpen image. Subplot first row, second column and second plot. The title image sharpen. Then I am show. It is used for create an image from two-dimensional NumPy. And last statement, plt.show to show the image. Now we will execute the Python program. Yes, this is the original image and this is the sharpen image. So we are successfully done with image processing video to sharpen the original image. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel where we will back with new interesting and innovative videos on machine learning. Thank you.